Good evening, everyone. Today is January 7th, 2018, and it is a shitty rainy Sunday in Seattle. The plan for today's video is to show you how to move Bitcoin from the Bittrex exchange to GDAX. With that said, the first step that you need to do is you need to go to bittrex.com. I've included the URL in the description just in case you don't have it. Once you get there, log in. I'm already logged in, as you can see, and when you log in, this is the page that you're brought to. The next step you need to take is go to wallets. So I've hovered to the kind of the top right hand part of the page, and there's a wallets option. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on it, it'll show you kind of a list of wallets. Make sure to select hide zero balances so that you only see the wallets that you have funds in. And today what I'll be doing is I'm going to be withdrawing Bitcoin from Bittrex. So if you look in this table, it has all my wallets. You see Bitcoin, you see ADA. Oh, actually, my ADA has been stuck in this disabled wallet on Bittrex for like many days now. I can't even access it. And this is exactly why I always recommend folks move your stuff off of exchanges. Anyways, going back to the lesson, you see Bitcoin is what we want to withdraw. And you'll notice there's a plus sign and a minus sign. The plus sign indicates you want to add to your Bitcoin balance on Bittrex, and then the minus sign is the opposite. So we want to minus or subtract from our Bitcoin balance on Bittrex. So click on the minus sign, and when you do that, it's going to need an address and quantity, and then it'll tell you what your fee is and withdrawal. So I want to actually send all of my Bitcoin. So I clicked on this arrow here, and when I did that, it populated with all. So I need to get an address, right? So the next place you need to go is you need to go to GDAX.com, and then you need to log in. I've provided a URL to GDAX already. Once you get to GDAX, you'll end up at a page like this, and go to this drop down on the left hand side, and you'll see the different currency trade pairs they have. Since I need to withdraw Bitcoin from Bittrex, I need to deposit into a Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to go to the Bitcoin USD pair, and here I am, Bitcoin. All these charts are for Bitcoin, and I obviously need an address to send to from Bittrex. So I need to get the GDAX address. Since we're going to be sending Bitcoin to GDAX, we're going to be depositing Bitcoin to GDAX. Okay. So you see this deposit button, click on it. And you have options to deposit funds: bank account, bank wire, Coinbase account, BTC address. So I selected BTC address because I need to get an address to send Bitcoin to. So there's the address here. I'm just going to copy it. Okay. And now that I have this depositing address, I'm going to hop back over to Bittrex, and I'm going to plug it in. So I always like to do a quick check to make sure I have the right address. So I'm going to do a quick check. So the last four characters of this address is GECT. If I go to GDAX, I can see that the last four of this address is GECT. So I'm pretty confident I didn't mess up in copying and pasting the address to Bittrex. Now I'll go ahead and toggle back over to to Bittrex, and I'll say let's do a withdrawal. And so when I did that, it asked me to confirm the Bitcoin withdrawal. So I will confirm. Something to note: make sure that this is the right address. If you ever send it to the wrong Bitcoin address, if you send it to an invalid address and you confirm, you will have lost your Bitcoin forever. So I'm going to hit confirm, and the withdrawal is submitted. Alright, so what just happened is they said that Bittrex said I'm going to get a withdrawal confirmation. So it's in my email. Bitcoin it says Bittrex confirmation, and then it says please click on the link and to confirm my withdrawal. So I did that, and the withdrawal was successful. Now if I go back to my wallet section, you'll see that I've got 0 in my available balance, and that's it. So that's basically how you make your Bitcoin withdrawal and send it over to GDAX. The Bitcoin transfer will not show up over on GDAX just yet because Bitcoin is super slow, so it might be until tomorrow that I see it go and show up on GDAX. So I'm not going to wait around. I'm not going to wait 12 hours to show it in this video, but I think you all got the point. If you have any questions about this whole process, please comment them in. If you want to see any other videos, let me know. Otherwise, keep an eye out for more tutorials by subscribing. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.